Hello, today we are going to talk about investment opportunities in Malaysia. Malaysia is a federal constitutional monarch in Southeast Asia. It consists of 13 states and 3 federal territories and has a total landmass of 399,847 square kilometers separated by the South China Sea into two similarly sized regions, Peninsular Malaysia and Malaysian Borneo. Land borders are shared with Thailand, Indonesia and Brunei, and maritime borders exist with Singapore, Vietnam and Philippines. The capital city is Kuala Lumpur, while Putrajaya is the seat for the federal government. Capitalizing on its location, Malaysia has been able to transform its economy from an agriculture and mining base in the early 1970s to the high-tech competitive nation where services and manufacturing now account for over 85% of GDP. Malaysia has a multi-ethnic, multicultural, and multilingual society. Substantial influences exist from Chinese and Indian culture. Since independence, Malaysia has had one of the best economic records in Asia, with GDP growing an average 6.5 for almost 50 years. The economy has traditionally been fueled by its natural resources, but it is expanding in the sectors of science, tourism, commerce, and medical tourism. Today, Malaysia is a newly industrialized market economy, ranked third largest in Southeast Asia and 29th largest in the world. The Malaysian economy enjoys a clear competitive advantage in producing and processing primary products due to an abundance of natural resources, together with a world-class transport and telecommunication infrastructure. Malaysia also offers a low-cost business environment, high skill levels, and relatively low salary costs for qualified professionals and executives. The services sector attracted the largest portion of approved investments into the economy last year, totaling 117.6 billion ringgits, a 67% increase compared to 70.4 billion ringgits in 2011. GDP in terms of purchasing power parity is 303.53 billion in 2013, while the real growth rate is over 5%. Also, the economic freedom score for Malaysia is 66.1, which makes it a very highly regarded country for investment opportunities. The investment performance of the sector puts it on track with the government's effort to make the services sector the engine of Malaysian economic growth. The country is also a prime tourist destination offering very unique traditional attractions amidst modern day development. The real estate subsector was the leading contributor with 58.8 billion ringgits worth of investments approved, followed by the utility sector. Strong growth in private consumption encouraged more investments in the consumer-related services subsectors. The tourism-related services sectors, including healthcare and education services, received a boost in investments as a result of regional demand. If I were to invest in Malaysia, I would definitely look at tourism-related services sectors, which includes healthcare and education.